Welcome to our channel. Let's learn together. Today we will learn about kitchen utensils.
Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen.
Bowl, bowl, bowl. Cup, cup, cup. Fork, fork, fork. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Plate, plate, plate. Frying pan, frying pan, frying pan. Pan, pan, pan. Stove, stove, stove. Knife, knife, knife. Grater, grater, grater. Mortar, mortar, mortar. Pestle, pestle, pestle. Rice spatula, rice spatula, rice spatula. Soup ladle, soup ladle, soup ladle. Thank you for your attention today. Happy learning. See you next meeting and don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.